Welcome to the magic world of how things are made. Let's find out. A long time ago, on a small farm just outside an enchanted village, lived Benjamin, a young gardener with a big dream: to grow the sweetest strawberries in the whole kingdom. Benjamin, with his grey fur coat and big pink ears, was determined to learn every step needed to make it happen. One sunny day, Benjamin decided his perfect garden should have mild weather. Strawberries love the sun, but not too much heat or cold, he thought as he walked through his plot, noticing it needed at least 6 hours of sun a day. With his little straw hat, Benjamin pointed out the shadows and learned which areas to avoid during the colder hours. With his small shovel, Benjamin began to dig in his chosen spot. The soil must be light and breathable, he said. He started mixing magical compost he had collected from the forest, making sure his soil was rich in nutrients. He measured the pH with a device made of pine cones and leaves, making sure it was a little bit acidic. The highly anticipated planting day arrived. Benjamin adjusted his apron and picked up small strawberry plants and runners. He planted each one carefully, leaving space between them to grow happily, just like he liked his little house to be. Remember, little friends, the crown should be right at the soil level, he whispered to them. Benjamin knew his plants needed water, but also that too much could make them sick. So he installed a drip irrigation system he made with seashells, making sure every little drop was a song for his strawberries. As his strawberries grew, Benjamin placed straw around them like soft blankets to keep them warm on cold nights and prevent weeds. His small paws worked tirelessly, pulling weeds and protecting his plants from evil insects who wanted to disturb their sleep. Finally, spring arrived, and with it the white flowers began to appear. "It's a miracle!" exclaimed the little mouse as he ran between the rows, watching them turn into delicious red strawberries. Soon, with the sun still rising, Benjamin and his friends began to harvest, very happy and grateful, filling their baskets and hearts. Year after year, Benjamin shared the sweetest strawberries with all his forest friends. Thanks to the care and love he put into every step, Benjamin's strawberries were not only known in the kingdom, but his story was told as an example of patience and dedication. And that's how, with perseverance and a touch of magic, a little mouse taught us the joy of growing. And just like that, this strawberry story is over. And now it's your turn. Will you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up? See you soon.